Hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. I've got the High Road 40. This time I've got it surfaced to 2000 because I didn't like it fresh out of box with that red. What is it? What's that? Not reactor gloss, but what do they put on this one? I forgot. Anyway, the stupid gloss they put on the ball, I didn't like it. Safe like crap. So I took 2000 service pad to it tonight, and it's a lot better. So from what I found out, always take that damn compound or polish off the ball when you get it. Boom. And I'm just getting right behind the ball. So previous game I was putting too much side rotation on it, getting on the side of it, and it wasn't really working for me. So I'm just getting behind it, and it seems to be shaping pretty damn good. This is a 16 pound. If you watch my earlier video, I got it because of the crazy diff. And get it. Bam. Okay. Okay. Yeah, getting behind it, shaping really good. We are on game 9. They had a league before, so these lanes are pretty scorched. And it seems to be working pretty good for me. I'm standing on 25. Ah, might be too much. Nope. Okay, good. That's what I like to see. Yeah, the only reason I got this because I got the 16 pound just because of the high diff, and then I realized like the Black Widow 3.0 had the same diff, 0.58, and I hated that ball. That was the first ball I got when I got back into bowling. It was good for me right out the box after about 10 games, and it started to go to shit. Stand at 25. Damn, this ball is looking really fire. Here we go. So yeah, right on the box, this ball was just not doing anything for me at all. So I'm glad it's finally shaping a little bit better and a lot more consistent. This is a no core ball. It's a two-piece design ball. Thick shell, they call it. Oh, you dirty dog, get it. Oh no, damn it. That's okay. Get it. Okay. So let me know if you guys have this ball, if you guys put surface on it or not. All right, staying at 25. I'm gonna be pissed if that's my only non-striking frame. But we'll see. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that. That 10 pin didn't go down any faster. Look at that. Yeah, so what I found with this one, just get behind it and let the ball do the work with this one for sure. Oh my God, I got lucky on that one. That was a little outside, didn't really come back, but I got lucky. Oh, damn it. All right, if you guys are watching at this point and you entered the free giveaway for my Hammer rotating ball cup, put in the comments 16-pound High Road 40, and I'll give you one additional entry into the giveaway. Oh, you bastard. Oh, shoot. Okay. That would be a 257 clean game with a High Road 40. So, and this again was with a 2000 surface I put on tonight. Did pretty well for me. And I'm going to roll this again and see what I can do. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.